The Quran, Surah Rum, chapter 30, ayat 29 to 31. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Balittaba allazina zalamu ahwa'ahum bighairi ilmin faman yahdi man azallallahu wa ma lahum min nasirin. Ayat 30. فَأَقِمْ وَجْهَكَ لِلدِّينِ حَنِيفًا فِطْرَةَ اللَّهِ الَّتِي فَطَرَ النَّاسَ عَلَيْهَا لَا تَبْدِيلَ لِخَلْقِ اللَّهِ ذَلِكَ الدِّينُ الْقَيِّمُ وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَ النَّاسِ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ. Ayat 31. Munibina ilayhi wattaquhu wa aqimus salata wa la takunu minal mushrikeen. Sadaqallahul Azim. Translation. No, indeed, those who do the greatest wrong by associating partners with Allah follow only their own desires and caprice without basing on any knowledge. Who has power to guide him whom Allah has led astray on account of following merely his own desires without knowledge? And such have none to help them. Therefore, set your attention for obeying Allah, be devoted to the upright religion Islam. It is harmonious with the nature which Allah has designed for people. That is the quality of choosing right or wrong within the soul. There is no altering the laws of Allah's creation. That is the upright religion, but many people do not know. Adhere to the true religion Islam and always turn in repentance to Him and be afraid and dutiful to Him and establish as-salat and do not be those who associate others with Allah and His divinity.